Welcome to the unboxing and tutorial video for DB24, our 24-gallon, heavy-duty dry and wet vacuum, made with 75% recycled plastic.
Here is your instruction manual for the entire DB series. Hard floor and carpet tool, carpet brush. Next we have the do all tool. So this will be for any type of hard surface, as well as for wet and dry pickup. Next you have your vacuum hose. You have two of the sections for the 3-piece vacuum wand. Your disposable vacuum bag. Next you have the pistol grip. So this is the third component of the 3-piece wand. Next is your round dusting brush, upholstery brush. And last is your crevice tool. So here you have your vacuum head, your power switch on and off. Vacuum head is removable just by lifting up the clips like that. And then you lift the vacuum head off like this. So underneath here you have your main filter and your float for the wet pickup function of the vacuum. So in here, like I said, is a float. So when you're using this for wet pickup, once the water reaches a certain level, it'll activate this float and slow down the vacuum motor, so you know that it's full of liquid. So here you have the interior of the vacuum, the canister of the vacuum. So it has a capacity of 24 gallons, our largest capacity wet dry vacuum that we carry. In the rear of the vacuum you have a drain hose here. It's just gravity fed from the bottom of the canister. So once you need to drain the vacuum, if you're using it for wet pickup, you just take the cap off, go to your drain, and then drain the vacuum through the hose. This is going to be your main filter. It's called the Sanifilter. It has antimicrobial properties. It inhibits the growth of bacteria, germs, and contributes to the overall air quality of the environment where you're using the vacuum. So here again you have the disposable vacuum bag for the unit. This is an optional feature. It adds an extra level of filtration. You're going to take the bag and this port right here, or opening, you're going to install directly over the air intake or intake port of the vacuum. This just fits on like this. Next you'll take your permanent filter. So this is the main filter for the vacuum, and this just installs right around that vacuum bag and sits just like this. Vacuum's hose is a quick attach system. So you use this end of the hose and you're going to attach it to the intake port on the vacuum, put it in until it clicks. And to remove the hose, it's just this blue button right here. Just push it to the side and the hose will pop out. Okay, so here you have your vacuum wand. There's the two main sections here. I also have my hard floor tool on, so you have the bristles here, fit on the rest of the wand like that, and there you have your vacuum wand. So for a wet pickup, you're going to use a different vacuum head. So this is the do all tool. It has the squeegee on it. So this is going to allow you to pick up liquid more effectively. In addition, you're going to also have to change the filter in the machine. You want to make sure you remove both the permanent filter and the vacuum bag, because these are both for dry pickup only. So here you have the DB24 with the front-mount squeegee set up. This is an optional accessory, so you can order the vacuum with or without this. Your kit's going to include the squeegee itself, as well as this separate vacuum hose that's going to attach to the quick attach system. Used for picking up large quantities of water, floor stripper, etc.
Dustbin since 1908,